Hey guys, Tony again. Doggy Coin officially hit 1 cent on Robinhood, and I don't think it's gonna stop here. And let me go into valuations a little bit, right? And why I think Doggy has a potential to actually hit past $1, and why that's not crazy. I personally think it can possibly break $10. The thing is, in 2021 and 2020, we saw that valuations don't matter anymore. We saw Tesla have an insane run from like $180 pre-split to 900 and then all the way up to 3,000 now. It had an insane run up. The valuation that Tesla has is astronomical. And the same thing goes for Bitcoin. It's currently trading at over $30,000 right now. Do you guys really think that these valuations matter anymore? That's what I'm trying to let you guys know. Look at Tesla, look at Bitcoin. Doggy Coin's valuation, it doesn't even like it's not even about how much it's worth. It's just the fact that there's a huge probability statistically now that Doggy Coin, after it crosses a penny and it's been hovering here, like statistically there's a huge chance that it can do another 100x from here and go to $1 and even go to $10 from here. Like there's so much hype, there's so much momentum, and looking at valuations, like they don't even matter anymore, which is the insane part.